So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting to find duplicates in your data. And then we're going to remove those duplicates in Google Sheets. To start out, we have our data set here. I'm going to use conditional formatting to highlight all of the duplicate data in this data set. So to do that, I'm just going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and here I'm going to select my data range. Then in this cell, I'm going to choose a custom formula, and then I'm going to enter the COUNTIF formula. But I have it in my clipboard, so I'm just going to copy and paste it there. If you need it, I'll put the formula in the description of this video. What this formula does is basically counting the number of times each name shows up in this column. And if that name shows up more than one time, it'll highlight it to let us know that it's a duplicate. Click done, close that out. And now that we have our duplicates highlighted, we can remove all these duplicates. Let's go to data, data cleanup, and remove duplicates. I wanted to remove all the duplicates. So when I did that, it just chose the duplicates that was in column A, and that's okay. And that was because I highlighted column A. But what I want to do is highlight both columns. And now when I go to data cleanup, and I wanted to remove the duplicates, the entire data set, I'm gonna leave everything checked and click remove duplicates. And just like that, the duplicates have been removed. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.